मणिपुर रे विधानसभा बाछनाव रेना तिहिं दोसर थोक रेना वोटिंग तिहिं तुरुई गोटांग होनत रेना 22 गोटांग विधानसभा सीट रे वोटिंग हुयो कना। मणिपुर रेना दोसर थोक रे 3 लाख कैंडिडेट मेसाकाते गोटलेखा रे 92 गोटांग कैंडिडेट बाछनाव डही रे मेनाकोआ। तिहिंगा वोटिंग रे सेता 7 बजे खन 4 बजे हबिते हुआ। मणिपुर विधानसभा बाछनाव लेगिते पुइलो थोक रेना वोटिंग 28 फेब्रुआरी कोरा हुया कना। पोनत रेना 60 गोटांग सीट को मुद्रे 38 गोटांग सीट रे वोटिंग एम हुआ कना। ओना अर्जो उत्तर प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड, पंजाब और गोवा रेना विधानसभा बाछनाव रेना अर्जो साला 10 मार्च हिलो उछानोआ।
There will problem. I don't know for what. You please ask them. Better to use. Both Thobal and Kaksing district, there are total assembly segment seat is there.
Yes, sir.
In the last assembly election, that is 2017, around 8 we can secure.
Yes, sir.
But this time, out of this 10, we will definitely secure minimum 9
Okay, sir.
out of this 10 assembly segment.
You are very confident, sir.
Yes, I have full confidence.
Yes, sir.
And this time, I am quite surprised. Never happened in the history of Indian electorate, particularly in this district. There are a lot of, I don't know reason for what, dismantling of houses, killing of the innocent people. It's happened.
Violence is there, sir.
Violence is there. It is most unfortunate. I hope, I think this has never happened like this earlier. We have submitted an application to the Election Commission of India. There should be a free and fair election.